In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack's subscriber dashboard. Substack's subscriber dashboard is a powerful tool for anyone looking to manage and analyze their subscriber list effectively. So let's dive right in and explore its features step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Substack home. This is your main portal into all things Substack related, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. Once you're there, look for and click on the Subscribers tab. This is your gateway to the entire dashboard where you will find all the insights and management tools for your subscribers. When you arrive on the subscriber management page, one of the first things you'll notice is the growth over time chart. This chart is particularly valuable as it gives you a visual representation of how your subscriber base has grown or changed over time. Keep an eye on this to understand trends and see how different content may impact your growth. Scrolling down, you'll see the All Subscribers section. This comprehensive list displays your current subscribers, giving you a bird's eye view of who's currently following your content. Conveniently, you can search through this list using names or email addresses, helping you find specific subscribers quickly. Now, suppose you need a more detailed examination. In that case, Substack provides a filtering feature. Begin by clicking on Filters and then choose to add a filter. For example, if you're interested in seeing only those who are paid subscribers, you can select Paid from the list of available filters and click Apply. This filtering capability is great for those times when you want to hone in on a specific subset of your audience. A handy feature here is the columns option. Clicking on it will allow you to select additional data points to display, such as comments or email opens, which can provide deeper insights into your subscribers' engagement levels. Exporting subscriber data is also straightforward. Simply click Export, and you can download your list to analyze outside of Substack. Additionally, you can add new subscribers directly through this dashboard. Click Add Subscribers to enter emails manually, or by uploading a spreadsheet, a convenient option if you're transitioning from another platform. Moving back and forth through the dashboard is seamless. If you ever need to adjust multiple subscriptions at once, the Manage Group Subscriptions option will be your friend. This section lets you handle bulk changes efficiently, saving you time and effort. With these tools at your disposal, managing your Substack subscribers can be both efficient and insightful. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you get the most out of Substack's subscriber dashboard. Thanks for watching and happy managing.